Everyone, and welcome to week 6. The weeks are flying by. Just wanted to give you some updates. First of all, I touched base with everybody to see how you all are doing, and I did get some good recommendations. So on one of your recommendations, I have updated the course calendar. I think I'd left a few things off. So the course calendar should be pretty complete. All the deadlines should be there, so you should be able to look ahead and see what's coming up. The next couple things that are due will be the research paper proposal. This is a very short paragraph, just fleshing out your ideas and giving me an idea how you want to approach your topic. That's going to be due on the 23rd of September, so that will be next Saturday. And then you will have your third and last discussion board. This is just a straight old-fashioned discussion board where I ask you to consider a question. That will be due on Monday, September 25th. And that one is your third discussion board, the value of disaster plans. The idea, basically responding to an article in which it suggested that really the disaster plan is useful, perhaps primarily for the fact that it gets people thinking and talking about what to do in the course of a disaster. So you'll be responding to the article If the Worst Happens, which is part of your required reading for this week. I have updated your grades. I did put in your first discussion board grade, and as soon as the second discussion board closes out, I'll be updating those grades as well. There will be a Blackboard Collaborate session. This is the session that was postponed because of the hurricane. So I'm going to go ahead with that tomorrow night. I hope some of you can join in. It will be at 7:30 Eastern Standard Time, and we'll be talking about some of the issues that have come up in the discussion boards. I wanted an opportunity to give you some feedback and talk more about some of the things that came up in the Managing Documentary Heritage discussion board, and also the discussion board about how you select for appraisal, and what does that even, or how do you appraise for preservation and select for preservation, and what does that even mean when you're talking about things like personal records or library collections, really, because you can see it's a little more complicated topic than first glance might give you to think. So that will be happening tomorrow night. And then we'll be moving on to preservation strategies. This is what probably a lot of people think sort of the meat and potatoes of preservation is really all about, techniques for a particular kind of formats and items. So that's going to be our Unit 4. That's going to be a fairly lengthy unit. Then after that, we're going to consider digital preservation and digital objects and that whole world. I will try and get those modules up a little bit early, since I know a lot of you are doing research papers on that topic, and it might be helpful to have those available. Other than that, I think that's about it. I sure hope everybody fared well. I know a lot of people are playing catch up, and I understand that. It was a little crazy around here, but not as bad as it could have been. So, and I certainly hope that you all will be able to catch up and feel good about where you are. But if not, let me know and we'll see what we can do. I think that's about it. So hopefully I'll see a few of you tomorrow, and have a great week.